If you'd like to earn a low level of body fat and a high quality of life, email me and I'll send you a free copy of the Time Variant Training Program. It's an excellent program that involves some strategic pauses that you can apply to many different exercises. The key is here that the right pauses and also extending the lowering phase of an exercise movement can have a great impact on increasing fat-burning hormones and stimulating a lot of muscle fibers. It can be used for beginners, intermediate, advanced. Don't be intimidated by some of the terminology that I'm using. Email me, scott@infinityfitness.com, and I'll send you the link to this program. It's absolutely fantastic. And while I'm on the topic of training and training intelligently, if you can train 5 days a week, we're talking 3 weight training sessions and 2 fat-burning interval sessions for 5 total sessions in a week, then you can put yourself in a heightened state of fat burning throughout the 7-day week. Because each well-planned and well-executed exercise session will have a distinct impact for 48 hours on metabolism, fat-burning hormones, and other elements of fat burning. You can be in a heightened state of fat burning throughout the 7-day week, again, by having 5 exercise sessions that are well-planned and executed. 3 weight training sessions that are 45 minutes or less, 2 fat-burning interval sessions, which can be done anywhere, in your garage, outdoors, wherever it may be. They can be done at home. And those sessions are 30 minutes or less. If you make that investment and you can do so consistently for several weeks in a row, you're going to notice great improvements to your body composition, especially if you're doing the right things with nutrition and scientifically engineered supplementation. If you'd like a free copy of the 21-day Fat Cell Cleanse Nutrition Program, email me. I'll send it to you absolutely free. It's the best way for you to outsmart up to 10 pounds of body fat in just 3 weeks. If you have more than that to lose in terms of body fat, you can use the 21-day fat cell cleanse followed by the day 22 carb load and repeat that cycle as many times as you want to earn a low level of body fat with a high quality of life. If you have questions about your individual situation and goals, feel free to call or email me 7 days a week. I eat this up. This is what I do every day. I enjoy helping people earn great success with programs that are highly advanced, yet simple and realistic to execute. 614-596-7994, scott@infinityfitness.com. For over 21 years, I've been helping clients earn a low level of body fat, a great physique, and a high quality of life. I can help you too. You just need to give me a chance.